A very good afternoon, students. I hope these videos are very helpful for you regarding the notes which I'm explaining. So here is chapter number 5, Social and Religious Reform Movement. So I won't begin with the fill in the blanks and all. And this chart, I hope this chart is clear to you. Please go through the chart. Don't just learn it, but you just go understand what all things Rajaram Mohan Roy he has done. Then Dayanand Saraswati and Mahatma Phule. So just go through this table. I'll come to the give reasons here. The social and religious reform movement began in India. Now, why this movement began in our country? So, with the spread of English education in India, there was a spread of new ideas, thoughts, new philosophy. So when this new English education started, Western education started, when the Britishers came up, they started spreading some values also. So English education began, and that is why we got introduced. हमें एक नई पहचान दूसरों की, like for example about new thoughts, new ideas came across. India got introduced to the Western thoughts and culture. We got introduced. हमें जानकारी मिली about different cultures. So they wanted to create a society based on the principle of humanity, equality and fraternity. Who they? The educated Indians. So they wanted to set up a country, a society based on which values, principles of humanity, equality and fraternity. They realized that the flaws means khamiya, like superstitions, andhavishwas, casteism, old customs, class system and lack of critical outlook is responsible for the backwardness of India. So इसलिए हमारा देश पीछे है because of these problems, because of this खामियां. So this is what told you, and this is the reason. These problems were responsible for the social and religious reform. So this is the reason. You can write this point. These are the reasons. That is why social and religious reform movement began in India. Now Mahatma Phule conducted a strike of barbers. Now we all know why it happened. Keshavapan was one of the custom which was started. That is, there was a custom of Keshavapan, that is shaving head of widows in India. विधवाओं के का मुंडन कराना. So in order to oppose this unjust custom, so this custom was not appropriate. This is not good custom. So in order to oppose खिलाफ होना, that is the reason he conducted a strike of barbers. Then Ramakrishna Mission, short notes. Swami Vivekanand, a close disciple of Ramakrishna Paramhansa. So disciple means शिष्य. कौन थे? स्वामी विवेकानंद इनके शिष्य थे, रामकृष्ण के. So he founded a Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. So who founded this mission? Swami Vivekanand founded Ramakrishna Mission. So if you want to mention this, he was a close disciple of this, or else you just need to write Swami Vivekanand was founder of Ramakrishna Mission. Then mission carried out work. Now second point, you should understand क्या काम किया ये mission ने, ये community क्यों थी. So first work was like providing help to the famine stricken people. जो if any natural disaster take place, so if people are stuck in those, this mission used to help. Then patients and gave medical help to the poor and work for the female education. So keep in mind what would be your second point, that what work they did. Then it taught people service to humanity's true religion. लोगों को एक अच्छा मैसेज पहुंचाया. What it taught? Service to humanity. सेवा करना किसकी? इंसानियत. Humanity. Service to humanity is true religion and work towards the spiritual progress of the people. आध्यात्मिक. उन्होंने रिलीजन के बारे में भी उन्हें जानकारी दिया. Reforms for women by Savitribai Phule. So Savitribai Phule, wife of Mahatma Phule, advocated women's education along with him. She supported her husband in his efforts to start first school for girls at Bidewada in Pune. So first of all, who was Savitribai? Savitribai Phule was wife of Mahatma Phule, and she advocated women's education along with him. He means her husband. She supported her husband in his efforts to start. So Mahatma Phule started first girls school. So you can write down Mahatma Phule started first girls school and his wife Savitribai Phule helped him. She continued her work in the field of education, though she faced severe criticism from the society. So even if she faced criticism, she faced lot of opposition from the society, but still she continued to help. She worked for the women. I hope these notes are clear to you. Please go through the notes and prepare well for your exam. Thank you.